The Panama Canal, a brilliant example of what humans can build. This 50-mile water road cuts through jungles and over mountains. It's a super important shortcut between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Imagine, before it was built, ships had to make a long, dangerous trip all the way around South America. The canal changed everything, making trips shorter and helping businesses grow. Today, tons of stuff travels through the canal. Ships loaded with goods from all over the world use its locks, making it easier for countries to trade. The canal is really important for how things are bought and sold around the world. The canal needs something very important to work: fresh water. It uses a system of locks, kind of like water elevators, to raise and lower ships. Every time a ship goes through, it uses a whopping 52 million gallons of fresh water. That water comes from nearby lakes and rivers. This careful mix of nature and engineering is what makes the canal work. But there's a big problem: not enough water. Rain keeps the canal going, but the rain is becoming less reliable. Droughts, made worse by climate change, are making everyone worry about the canal's future. In 2019, there was a big problem. A serious drought hit Panama, and the water in the canal got really low. They had to make rules about how many ships could go through and how big they could be. This hurt businesses all over the world and showed just how much the canal depends on water. Climate change is making this problem worse. Hotter temperatures and changing weather make droughts happen more often and last longer. This is a big danger for the Panama Canal and could be bad for trade and the world's economy. What will happen to the Panama Canal? It all depends on finding new ideas and being able to change. Saving water is super important. Smart engineers and scientists are working on solutions. They're trying to build things that can hold water even when it's dry, and figuring out ways to recycle water. But everyone in the world needs to help. We need to tackle climate change, which is the main reason these droughts are getting worse. If we can lower the gases that cause climate change and find better ways to do things, we can help make sure the Panama Canal keeps working. The problems are big, but if people are creative and work together, we can make sure this amazing canal has a future.